इंडिया ऑप्टेल लिमिटेड द्वारा 48 परियोजना तकनीशियन पदों के लिए भर्ती के लिए आवेदन आमंत्रित की जाती है। इंडिया ऑप्टेल लिमिटेड IOL, a Government of India enterprise under the Ministry of Defence, has announced recruitment for project technicians on a fixed-term contract basis for its optical factory unit, OLF, located in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Project technician, fitter instruments, 25 posts. Project technician, fitter electronics, 15 posts. Project technician, optical worker, 08 posts. Educational qualification. Essential, 10th pass plus full-time regular NAC/NTC certificate in the relevant trade from a recognized yeti, as per the Apprenticeship Act 1961. Note: candidates with higher qualifications will not be considered. Relevant trades accepted: fitter instruments, instrument mechanic, advanced mechanic, instruments; fitter electronics, electronics mechanic, mechanic mechatronics, mechanic industrial electronics, etc. Optical worker trade. Age limit, as on 18th July 2025. Minimum, 18 years. Maximum, 27 years. Relaxation, applicable for SC Cent, 5 YRS, OBC NCL, 3 YRS, PWBD, ex-servicemen as per rules. Salary and benefits. Basic pay, 20,000 रुपए per month. Other allowances, industrial DA plus HRA as applicable. Increment, 3% annually based on performance. Tenure, initially for 1 year, extendable up to 3 more years, max. Leave, 1.5 days per month, 18 days per year. Selection process. Shortlisting, based on marks in NAC/NTC. Trade test, qualifying in nature, marks not counted in final merit. Final merit, based on NTC marks and tie-breaking criteria like age, ex-apprentice status. How to apply? Interested candidates must download the application form from the Join Us tab at https://ddpdu.gov.in and submit it by post to the following address. The Additional General Manager, HR. India Optel Limited, Offield Campus. रायपुर, देहरादून, उत्तराखंड, 2,48,008. Documents required, self-attested. 10th certificate mark sheet. NAC/NTC certificates mark sheets. Caste category certificates, if applicable. Aadhaar PAN. Passport size photos. Experience certificate, if any. For queries, contact HR, recruitment, dept at 01352787101003, EXTN 4031 और +917579044634, Monday through Friday, 10 AM to 4 PM.